Hi everyone, it's Emily Ronneberg from LMU ARTsmart. I hope you're all staying healthy and safe. Today I'm going to show you a fun project called toilet paper roll creatures, where you make cute little creatures out of toilet paper roll, something you'd otherwise throw away. So the materials for this are fairly simple. All you're going to need is a toilet paper roll, something to cut it with. If you have scissors, great. If you don't, you can always tear it, which is why I have water right here to dip my fingers in to tear, just to make the tearing a little bit easier, and then something to write on the toilet paper roll with. So these are some examples that I have. I made a little mermaid, I have an octopus, and I have a crab right here. And today, before I begin, I want to introduce you to some special guests. This is Buster. Oh, he loves kisses. They're fighting. And this is Bob. These are my adorable dogs. Woo! And the reason that I'm introducing you to them is because I'm going to make my toilet paper roll creature today based on them. So this isn't really a step-by-step video, just because everybody's creature is going to be different, but I'm going to show you how I make mine. First things first, I'm going to cut ears. So I'm just going to get the toilet paper roll, and it's really helpful to kind of pinch it when you want to cut it. So I'm going to cut ears, and I'm going to kind of cut down like this, and like this. I kind of want my dog to have ears like, I kind of want my creature to have ears like Bob, more pointed. And then I'm going to squeeze it like this and go like this to cut a nose. And then I'm going to fold this up. I'm going to fold this up, get a little like nose looking thing. And then if you don't have scissors, you can easily rip it. So you're going to get your fingers wet, just to kind of get the roll wet, because when you get the toilet paper roll wet, it's easier to rip and also to kind of sculpt. And so I'm going to use this to kind of bend the ears, to make the ears a little more cute. Make the ears a little bit more cute. See, look at that. And it's easy to tear if you get it wet. You could just simply tear it. So now that I kind of have the shape, I'm going to use markers to draw and embellish it. As you can see, I made a cute little face, and you can tell that it's kind of based off my dogs, so that's why I thought it'd be fun to introduce you to them. Thank you so much for watching. I'm excited to see what you guys make, and remember, you can use these for a lot of purposes. You can play with them, you can decorate your room with them, you could write a short story about them. There are countless things you can do with your toilet paper roll creature. Thank you.